Hey y'all, welcome to Heritage Ways. I'm Miss Katie, and today I want to bring to you, this is actually some footage that I shot at our last farmhouse back in Middle Tennessee, and I just never got around to giving it out, putting it out to you. But I found the footage the other day and the photos, and I thought I am going to get that out because it goes right along with the pantry raid collaboration that I did with Miss Mary from Mary's Nest, Miss Vickie from Vickie's Home, which was the originator of the collaboration, and Miss Lori from Whippoorwill Holler, as well as other channels that participated as well. So I want to just tell you what I threw together this one time, and it was so delicious. I still remember it. All right, it's inspired by Trim Healthy Mama cookbook. I think it's called their Nutty Noodles, but it is also very much made up by me. All right, so I have a variety of ingredients I want to tell you about. Some that you may not have lying around, but who knows. So in a shaker bottle, I mixed some coconut milk. This is unsweetened, with peanut butter flour or peanut butter powder, if you will. And then shake that up to be ready to use here in a minute. And then I had some shredded chicken left over. I had some cream cheese. I had some spinach in the from my freezer. I had some konjac noodles. You may not be familiar with them. You probably ought to research them. Paleo friendly, low carb, low calorie, all that kind of stuff. They do have an odor, except the Trim Healthy Mama ones that I used to use. I don't find them around here anymore. Especially since I don't shop Amazon or Walmart. I know you can find them at those places. But anyway, those don't have an odor. The Trim Healthy Mama brand. All right, I also had hot sauce and coconut oil and water chestnuts. So here's how I put it all together. So I just warmed the noodles. So they're in the bottom of my pan. And literally, I just put in my brick of cream cheese, my drained water chestnuts, my cooked shredded chicken, my spinach. Now, I didn't cook it, but I did drain it and squeeze the liquid out of it. So I just literally just had all that in the pan. Just warm it up slowly. You don't want to burn all that, of course, but warm it. Just start to turn it on low, and then you're going to have your mixture of your coconut milk and your peanut butter flour that you've put in like a shaker bottle or something. And I am pouring it in here in my mixture. I see that it's lumpy, but that's okay. I remember this dish turned out so very well, and I was so pleased with it. And I'm just pouring that in there, and literally I'm just warming all this up together. I also used a few splashes of coconut liquid aminos, so you might want to look into that product as well. That's really tasty. Then I added a splash of hot sauce. I added a splash of lime juice, mixed all it together. I've got the coconut oil sitting out in the photo, and I don't know that I used that or not, but you could, because it's so good for you. And so there is my delicious pantry raid nutty noodle dish. Now, I topped it with crushed peanuts and raw pumpkin seeds, which are so good for you too. So I hope this gives you a little bit of inspiration, but you might want to look up those konjac noodles for something different to look into. Y'all have a great day.